Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evayo. Today I'm coming live from the village. My village is called Cheptol. It is found in Nandi County, Nandi South, Kobujoy location. Today I'm so happy. We are going to talk about bee farming. My brother practice bee farming. Bee farming is one of the profitable farming business in Kenya, but it's so unfortunate that not majority of people practice it. I don't understand why. Maybe they've got their own reason, but today I'm going to take you around. My brother's going to explain everything about bee farming, and today I'm so happy. I'm going to learn a lot about bee farming, the uses of honey, how he does it, how he prepares everything. So guys, please, before you watch this video, kindly remember to subscribe, like and share. I'm so grateful that you come back to watch my videos, so kindly follow me. Okay guys, my brother is now here. I think it's ready. He can explain all about bee farming and what are the benefits of bee farming. Yes, Oscar, can you introduce us?
Hello, my name is Oscar Evayo. I'm from Nandi County, Evayo County. I'm a beekeeper here in Nandi. I practice beekeeping and other types of farming, like fish farming, maize farming, beans, and banana farming. But today we will only do about bee farming. This is my apiary. I've located like 300 meters away from home. It will be far from homestead, in a residence, or being a very dangerous time that can affect people living like that. So the first step to starting to see taking them far away from home and people. Also this like that has a lot of light, a lot of silence. So we are doing it already in the apiary. No need to cut things about the people. First of all, you have to consider your place. Every time it should be 200 meters away to 300 meters from homestead. So just put a mark. As you can see, this is the Kenya top hive. This is a type of hive that is kept by many farmers. It has some more advantages than the other type of hives, which is long straw, the log hives. The first advantage of this one is easy to construct. As you can see, this one, I only went through the YouTube and I got my materials, then I just constructed some of these beehives. As you can see, this one is already, it has bees. It was colonized 2 years ago, and so far I have harvested thrice, and the production is somehow well, because this kind of beehive, one beehive can give you at least 10 kgs of honey per harvest, and a kg of honey goes at least 4,000 shillings at the market. So when you're a big farmer, you are always guaranteed of the money, because most of the people are looking for honey. Honey, it has so many benefits. It's used for medicinal. Some people, those who are diabetic, instead of using this processed sugar, they use natural honey and putting in tea. So you cannot black market for honey. As you can see, this other type, this another one, the Kenya top hive, is already colonized. As you can see, I'm so near the beehives. They are very friendly. As you can see the activity that's going. Those are the honey worker bees that's going now. Then the process of making honey. This is the month of honey. We are always, in our season, we harvest in March, and you can see it's only 1 month to March. In bee farming, you need to have enough water. As you can see, I've created here an artificial river. So now it has so many leaves, but I used to clean here. This is an artificial river. You can see just next to the hives. So the bees use the honey, use the water for making of the honey. You can see another source of water down there that the bees use. If you can keen, you can see some flowers that I've planted in my apiary. That's for the bees, because they really need pollen and water to make the honey. Beekeeping is not widely done in Nandi County, as most people, I think, they are not well informed about beekeeping, so they have not practiced. Other one have phobia for bees, so they can't keep bees. I tried to take about this initiative long time ago, because I saw many of the bees that were building inside our house, inside the ceiling house. Like you could get at least 3 colonies in the house. So I thought about it, and I decided to venture in beekeeping. And you can see the progress is so nice. The rewards are great, because you only have to construct beehives to make your apiary is very clean. As you can see, my apiary is very clean. It's so clean, to deter away pests that hinder, that attack bees and hit honey. Pests such like honeybuggers, we have ants, and we have some mouse that live in the beehives. So you have to make them so well, make that there is no opening inside, large openings inside the beehives, to make only the bees to enter inside the beehives. Another important thing about keeping you should know is the setting up of bees. There is time for bee swamping, like when people harvest bees. You know, like in our here in Nandi County, most of the people, they don't use the right procedures in harvesting bees. What they only do, you can find someone burning the bees. They set fires ablaze to burn the bees so that they can chase away the bees and get the honey, and that's not the right method to harvest honey. So in most of the time, you find these bees, they run away looking for new homes. And that's why when you have already established your beehives, the bees will automatically enter the hives, and that's how I always get my colony. There's nothing more I do. I don't buy my colony. They only come and occupy my beehives. So that's why I like this project, because it has really helped me. And as a young farmer in beekeeping, you can see, as a young farmer in beekeeping, can get some cash and continue with my daily routine here at home. As you can see, this beehive I just constructed with the available materials. You can see the iron sheets. I just took the second-hand iron sheets, the bow. You can see them, because I didn't have much to venture into bee farming, but I just wanted to do it. At least you can do something with the little resources that you have. Another thing you should know about beekeeping is about placing the beehives. The beehives should place at least 3 meters above the ground. One, to make them safer from running water. Two, to deter away honey buggers. As you can see, the bee is safe, it's on a stand, and it is well secured. This makes the hive at least to last for long. There's no rotting of the beehive because of the running water, and at least someone can be able to access it easily and manage it. As you can see, like this one already has bees. You can see them, they're already occupied by the hive. This one is ready for harvesting. I'm still cleaning my apiary, as you can see there, burning those stretches. I want the onset of start of the rain. I want my apiary to be so clean and easily manageable, so that can be a better place for the bees to stay. Another thing we need to know of importance in beekeeping is the harvesting of bees. Harvesting of bees is done using a bee suit. A bee suit is a cloth that is well designed for protection, which has a headgear, at least, that can keep away bees for your safety when you're harvesting them. That one, at least you can have it. And a smoker, it's used to smoke away the bees. They don't actually does not chase away the bees, but they make the bees less active. When the bees are less active, harvesting can be done with much ease without interfering with the bees or getting the bee stings. So that's the right way of harvesting the bees. When you're harvesting the bees, you don't remove all the honey from the bee hive. At least you leave some little honey in the bee, so that the bees can keep staying in the beehive. When you finish harvesting, you need to lock the bees very good, so that nothing else can enter the beehive, like rainwater or excess sunlight. Another thing you should know about the bees is feeding. Feeding of the bees is very, very, very much important. You can see in my area receives annual rainfall of at least, these are highlands, we have so many rainfall, so we have a lot of forage on our side, a lot of forage and water, and that's only enough for beekeeping. Beekeeping need a lot of forage, a lot of flower where they can get pollen, so that they can use them in honey making, and that's an easy way of keeping bees. So far I have 32 beehives in a span of, my project is 2 years old since I started it. It's 2 years old since I started it, and I'm willing to expand more my project. As you can see, this water the bees use for making the honey. Alternatively, I have some fingerlings in the water. When I need fish, I don't go to the market, I just come and get 3 to 5 here. I use them with my family. So that's the essence of this pond here. It serves me with water for bees. Then I do the apiculture is, then I do the fish farming. Apiculture is beekeeping, another name for beekeeping. As you can see, we are still walking through my apiary. This is a beehive. I just placed it here. I have a very large apiary. The only challenge I experience in beekeeping is like there are some small mouse. They tend to enter the bees. At first time, I didn't know much about those mouse. I could just make beehives and place them there. The bees get colonized, but with some time, I didn't find the bees inside. So I went and opened the hive, only to find that I had to see some rats in the bees in the hive. I think I can show you that. I realized one of my beehives still got that. One of my beehives has that. Let me open it so that you can be able to see and know more what I'm explaining about concerning this beekeeping. As you can see here, you can see inside, you can see it initially had bees, but the bees ran away due to this type of mouse. They just enter your beehive, and I think they are not friendly to bees. They make the bees swim away. You can see these are the house of those rats. So this one, you can see the rat. That's the rat. You can see the type of the rat. This is a menace to beekeeping. No any bee farmer can wish having this type of rat. You see, I trying to kill it, but it's running away. It's running away. I don't know if I will manage to kill it. It has run away. So with this hive, you come repair it, you clean it, remove all the stuffs, and you close it, waiting for another bee colony to come and enter the beehive. So that is the most dangerous pest in beekeeping. Other thing are ants. Ants, you should at least, when you are setting the beehive, you should put the hive on a stand and put the rat guard. Even those rats, you can use a rat guard when you are keeping the stand, so that it can keep the rats away. We have to learn more about beekeeping, but it has started raining, so we should stop there. We'll meet another day. My name's Oscar Evayo. I'm on all social media, but this is my sister's YouTube channel, Rose Evayo. You can share, like, and subscribe. She's so much interested in knowing more about farming. Follow her to know more about farming, and maybe you can empower yourself through farming and have a living through farming. Farming is a hobby, it's a nice thing to do. Farming is so encouraging, it's uplifting. Thank you.